Well, hello everyone. I feel like it's been forever since I've put out any kind of a video. Oh, I can't get my seatbelt on. There we go. How is everyone doing? I have been super busy, as you can't tell, because I haven't made a video. Just busy. Honest. This has Sully's veggies in here from his Meals on Wheels. There's carrots, broccoli, more carrots, onions, and then I have my spinach in here, and my kale, and sweet potato, and my cheese sauce. I have some pickles, and I have a Bella who wants it, and that's it. Good morning. How's everybody doing? Today's Thursday, January 14th. Wait a minute. Yep, 14th. Anyway, I'm waiting for my car to warm up. It's 23 degrees. But I thought I would do a tag video while I was waiting, because I never get a chance any other time to do one. And I was gonna have Sully do it with me, but he was an old fuddy-dud, so he didn't want to participate. So I don't know. I don't think I'll ever get him on my YouTube channel at all. He's such a fuddy-dud. I'm just watching two deer. I came out of my apartment building and two deer just hopping on down. Weird. You don't see that very often around here, but anyways, let's try and get this tag video done. I know a couple of people have tagged me, but the one that I printed off the questions was from Suzanne's _Suzanne's_ Life Journal. I couldn't remember your name. I'm sorry. Sheepish. It's too early in the morning for me. Okay, so the first question is snowboarding or skiing? Well, since I don't like being cold and I don't like snow, snowboarding is out of the question. And snow skiing, although I love to water ski. I haven't done it in years, but I do like to water ski. Number 2 is hot chocolate or hot tea. I don't know, it's kind of a toss-up. I'm more of a hot black coffee type person, but I would say hot tea. I'll do an occasional hot chocolate as a traditional hot chocolate drink in the car as we're driving around watching, looking at Christmas lights. I think that's the only time that I will drink hot chocolate. I don't know. Number 3 is knit or leather gloves. Knit gloves. I don't know, leather gloves, just, first of all, if you're vegan, you don't really want to wear leather gloves. So, but, to me, they're not very warm. But whatever. I like knit gloves. I like mittens. Oh, that's the next question. Gloves or mittens? I like mittens. But I do wear gloves more than mittens. I don't know. It doesn't make any sense, I know. But I also wear rubber gloves. Well, they're not rubber gloves. They're well, I don't know if they're vinyl, rubber, I don't know. Surgical gloves. I will wear them under both because it's a lot warmer. So that was like a little trick. Earmuffs or a knit hat? I wear both, but I'd probably, excuse me, I'd probably wear earmuffs because I don't like hat head. I don't like to go out to work or go somewhere with a hat head. I know, I'm weird. Number 6 is ice skating or sledding. I love both. Sledding is fun though, even though it's cold, but you do heat up rather quickly. So, and skating, it can be done in a rink because I won't go on the ice because I almost went in the ice. I almost went, what am I trying to say? I almost went in the pond. The ice was cracking underneath me and I haven't been on the pond since. This was when I was a kid and there was a bunch of us skating, and of course I was the biggest person there, and I was the last one to go on this like creek type thing. Anyways, it was all cracking behind me and it was scaring the crap out of me. I almost went under. Anyway, I'd say sledding because sledding is fun. 7, chili or soup? I like both. But I guess I would pick the chili. Soup or stew? Well, then I would pick the soup. To me, soup and stew are the same thing, but I could be wrong, but to me, it's the same thing. Number 9 is bear the cold outside or stay in and be cozy and warm. Well, I'd rather stay in and be cozy and warm, believe me, because I hate being cold. Hate being cold. And the number 10 is share your favorite winter snack. I would say homemade cookies are my favorite winter snack. Many. I can't have just one cookie. It just doesn't work. I cannot do serving size of cookies or anything actually. So anyways, that is my short and sweet tag. I hope you enjoyed my answers. I know it was kind of quick, but that's it for me. Thanks for watching.